I'm Andrew Neese with the law firm of Bergman and Yangu. I do enjoy the OVI sort of cases. I've done a lot of domestic violence cases, assault cases, general misdemeanor cases. Currently, if you're charged with driving a motor vehicle while intoxicated or impaired, it is generally referred to as an OVI, operating a vehicle while intoxicated. The BAC, the blood alcohol content, has been, at least in the state of Ohio, it's not universal, but the majority of the states have defined legally impaired as 0.08. Expungement is a process that the Ohio Revised Code allows one to remove certain criminal convictions from their record. Simply, you file an application for an expungement. It's going to be set for hearing within a certain amount of time. The arresting agency who originally dealt with the crime is going to look into the situation and give their stamp of approval on whether the expungement should or shouldn't happen.